5 parenthesis 30 divided 6 times 5 plus 1 parenthesis closed divided 13. How do you solve this? So this is a question of order of operation. In order of operation, we first solve parenthesis, then comes exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Now here, first we will solve the parenthesis. Always remember that within parenthesis also we have to follow this order of operation. So as per this order of operation, after parenthesis we have exponent. There is no exponent, so we'll do multiplication. So 5, then 30 divided 6 times 5 is 30, then plus 1, then divided by 13. Now before addition we have division, so we will do division. So 30 divided by 30 is 1 plus 1, then divided by 13. Now 1 plus 1 is 2, so 5 times, we remove the parenthesis. Once parenthesis is removed, we have multiplication. So 1 plus 1 is 2, then division, then 13. Again multiplication is done first. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 divided by 13, so it is 10 upon 13. So if you just follow this order of operation, you will get 10 upon 13 as your answer. But there is another order of operation that many people do follow. This is called PEMDAS, in which D is written first and then there is multiplication. As per this order, we first solve parenthesis, then if there is exponent, and then division has to be done. That means it will be 5, then 30 divided by 6 will be done first. 30 divided by 6 is 5, so 5 times 5, then plus 1, then divided 13. Again 5 times, multiplication will be done first before addition, so 5 times 5 is 25, plus 1, then divided by 13. Now again 25 plus 1 is 26, so 5 times 26 divided by 13. Again you will do division first, so it will be 5 times 26 upon 13. 13 times 2 is 26, so 5 times 2 is 10. You are getting 10 as your answer. Is it possible that you get two answers for the same question? It's not. Why we are getting different answer? Let me explain. And this is where many people do the mistake. So first, when we follow PEMDAS or PEMDAS, this division multiplication, they are grouped together. So it's better to write it like this: parenthesis, exponent, then multiplication, division, and then addition, subtraction. They are also grouped together. Although it doesn't make any difference whether you do addition first or subtraction first, you will get the same answer when you follow these order of operation and then you come to addition or subtraction. But we group them together because multiplication, division are reciprocal actions, as well as addition, subtraction are also reciprocal actions. When you multiply a number, 2 multiplied to 5, you can also write it as 2 divided by 1 upon 5. Reciprocal of 5 is 1 upon 5. You can convert division into multiplication and the number after that gets inverted, so it will be 2 multiplied to 5. So you see, division and multiplication are reciprocal actions. They have equal priority. Same goes for addition and subtraction. 2 plus 5, it is also equals to 2 minus 5. Therefore, they are grouped together and they have equal priority. To solve the issue of which operation to do first, multiplication or division, we solve them from left to right, whichever comes first. So if you get 4 divided 3 times 2, so whether you follow PEMDAS or PEMDAS, from left to right you have division first, you will do division first, so it will be 4 upon 3 then times 2. If you have 6 plus 4 divided 3 times 2, then left to right is not counted from here. Addition will be always done after division and multiplication. You have to find the left to right from the division and multiplication because they have always priority over addition and subtraction. Understood? Now let's solve using this left to right rule. You can either follow PEMDAS or PEMDAS and you will get the same answer if you follow this left to right rule. So 5, then parenthesis, From left to right we have division first, so we will do division first. 30 divided by 6 is 5, then times 5, then plus 1, divided by 13, again 5. Now multiplication will always come before addition, so 5 times 5 is 25, plus 1, then divided by 13. Now 25 plus 1 is 26, then divided by 13. Now this parenthesis means it's not an operation, but it's just a way of writing multiplication. So we can also write it as 5 times 26 divided by 13. Now from left to right we have multiplication first. So multiply 26 times 5, or what we can do to make it easier, write them together like this and consider that we have done the multiplication. Then this entire number is divided by 13, because after multiplication there is division. We got the correct answer of 10 here, because here also you will get 10 as your answer. 13 times 2 is 26, 5 times 2 is 10, because in PEMDAS also we did 5 times 26 upon 13. So in this way we are doing the same operation, but this is the correct way of doing it. 26 times 5 and then divided by 13. So answer is 10. In PEMDAS we got the correct answer because coincidentally division is written first, and from left to right we have division first. Therefore correct answer will be 10 and not 10 upon 13. What is your answer? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.